Okay. Aloha everyone, Chenzo here, coming to you from Maui. We're gonna bring to you a Hawaiian style barbecue. The first thing we're gonna start with is our marinade. We'll put that on the meat, put that in the fridge overnight, and then we'll get to cooking. Let's go. We have here our little magic bullet blender. To this, we're gonna add 8 cloves of garlic. We're gonna put in here ginger, about 1/4 of an onion. We're gonna add some sambal, some coconut aminos, which again, if you're on SCD diet, coconut aminos, that's SCD Advance. A little bit of honey, salt and pepper, of course, and then some of our pineapple. And we're gonna just get like 1/4 of the onion. The marinade we're making here is gonna be for about 2 pounds of beef. So obviously, you're gonna wanna adjust this a little bit if you have more or if you have less. And then we have our ginger here, which we're just gonna clean up a little bit. And you know, for the ginger, you don't need a ton. I mean, a little bit goes a long way. All right, and I'm just gonna eyeball the coconut aminos, probably about 4 to 5 tablespoons in here. And that's looking like 5 or so tablespoons. We're gonna add a tablespoon of honey, tablespoon of the sambal up in here. The last thing to add is our beautiful pineapple. And so I'm gonna chop this up. The last blender we had did not do the trick. It just was going and going, not doing much. So we got the heavy duty out, bring this bad boy back, and it's looking good. Everything is blended up nice and well. So we're gonna take our meat out. We're gonna put this all over the meat,